Hello everyone, this is Afra from Quick WordPress Websites. In this video, we'll see how to create a free news magazine website using NewsCard theme. You can see the demonstration of NewsCard website. You can see the full display. On the top left side, you can see the today's date. On the right side, you can have a link like contact us, about us, or other supportive documents, and also you can have the social media links of your website. And on the left side top, you can see the logo. So here you can put your logo and tagline of your websites. On the right side, you can have the advertisement banner. Menu bar, so you can see the home page and text and other pages. With that, you can add about us page, contact us page with the contact us form using Elementor Builder. So we can see how to do that. And next line is the top stories. Here the top stories will automatically display as a slideshow. So here the viewers can click the links, relevant news, and they can see the news also. Then you can see the main story, the featured news slide bar is automatically sliding. So you can see how to create this featured news items and slide bars. On the right side, you can see the editor's picks two newses and trending stories, another two newses. You can change this with categories like world news here, local news here, like that. You can change with your wish. And the next line is the popular stories. Here also you can change this popular story as a local news or trending news or other newses. So this is the 4 news cards here. And now you can see the news categories. So this is the technology and the right side is sports. So both are two different widgets. You can see this widget is the main news in the vertical and other news topics are in the vertical line. But here you can see the two news items in the horizontal way. The function item is horizontal. Also the title is within the image. You can see the title and other date and the admin detail. And you can see the sports here. So you can see the left side picture, right side detail, and other news items below that. So you can see the health other way. So main big picture with the description like this. So all are different widgets. So you can interchange those widgets according to your need. So this is the travel item as we see earlier, one vertical news and along with other news items. Again, you can observe the sports news. You can see once I scroll, the sports is fixed. You can see after some movement only it is moving. So we will see how to do that. On the bottom you can see you may miss some recommended news you can create here. In the footer bar you can see the 4 columns. The first column is about us. So here you can put a small description regarding your news channel, and this gallery here the main images will appear, and you can put categories and you can put recent news, and you can modify and interchange these things. And finally the copyright. So NewsCard is a free theme, the copyright is here, but we will show you how to edit the copyright with your details. And also you can see the social media links in the bottom as well. So once you click this tech link, the news category item, you can see 2 news items like this with the right side slide bar. So you can change it to 3 news items or one by one. So also you can do that. And the layouts, you can see the right sidebar is here. If you want, you can make the sidebar into the left side. Here you can see the left side sidebar or no sidebar like this. So you can modify. And also search items. So viewers can search any news. So once they search, it will automatically appear. So let's go to the WordPress dashboard and see how to install this theme. First thing, before installing any WordPress theme, you had to be ready with your domain name, hosting with SSL certificate, and WordPress installed. Those details explained in our other tutorials. You can see our playlist or see the description for further details. Please subscribe our channel. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and click Appearance, then select Themes. Here, click Add New. So on the search bar, you can search for the NewsCard theme. So here the NewsCard theme will appear. It's a free theme. You can install it directly. So click Install. Then click Activate. Now the theme is activated. So the theme recommends the following plugin. One-click demo import. So we have to install this plugin. So click Begin installing plugin. So click Install. So this one-click demo import theme is installed. Click Return back to the required plugins and click Activate. Now the plugin have been activated. Then click Return to the dashboard. Then go to the Appearance and click Import Demo Data. This demo data has to be imported manually. So you have to download the demo data. So let's see how to download it. For that, you have to again go to the Appearance and click About NewsCard. Appearance, click About NewsCard. So once you click, you will see demo content. So click this menu called demo content. So you have to set up manually. So it will ask to install and activate the one-click demo import that we already done. And now we have to download the desired demo data. So let's click here. So it will redirect you to the teamhost.com, who are the NewsCard providers. And here you can find the demo data tag. And you will find two demo data. One is NewsCard demo or default, and other one is NewsCard Sport. So we want the NewsCard default. So click this one. So it will automatically download. So click Start Download. So once you downloaded, open that folder and you can see the NewsCard default zip is here. You have to unzip it. So right click done. Extract all. Extract. So once you unzip, you can open that file. You can see NewsCard default. When you open, there are three type of file. One is XML, other one is WIE, other one is DAT. So we have to import all three. So let's see how to do that. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. Import data. Before importing the data, you may remove the unnecessary port because WordPress will put a default post called hello world. So better to remove that to reduce the unnecessary interruptions. So that post is removed. Again go to Appearance, import demo data. Manual demo file import. So there are three files. Import content XML, import widgets JSON or WIE, and import customizer DAT file. So we have to import all three files. So first click for the XML file. Select file. Locate the folder you have unzipped. Click open. Here the XML file. The first one is the XML file. So import that one. Select open. So the XML file is selected. Second one is the JSON or WIE file. Again select a file. Here the WIE file is here. Select that one. Click open. And third one is the DAT file. Select a file. NewsCard DAT. Click open. So now all three files are selected. So let's click continue and import. And you have to wait few minutes depending on your hosting and internet speed. Right, after few minutes you will see the import is complete. So let's click the visit site. Wow, now all the demo contents have been imported. You can see all the contents have been imported with all the pages. Let's start customizing entire website. To customize, you can go to your WordPress dashboard and here you can click Customize. So the customization menu on the left side and customization icon will appear here. The same customization menu can be reached by another way. I'll show you that as well. Second method of accessing customization is go to your WordPress dashboard. Click your web name, click dashboard. Here in the dashboard menu, you can see appearance. Here also you will find the customize. The both are same way. So let's click customize. Both ways you can access your customization area. So here in the left side you will see all the customization menu items. On the right side you can see the gear buttons. You can click, and by clicking also you can reach. So let's edit this logo and the title. So you can edit by clicking this gear menu, or else you can click the site identity. Both ways you can reach. Here you can see the site title and the tagline. So if you want to keep as text, you can just type your title line like as my name. So I just edit with the title name and the tagline as number 1 news provider. I just published, and shall you open our website in a new tab. So here your website name and the tagline will appear. If you want to put a logo, you can just click this select logo. Click upload files, select files. So I just select this logo, click that, click open, then click select. Here if you want to crop the image, you can crop, or just I'm moving this. Okay, just cropped, and click crop image. Okay, now you can see your logo is added. So let's publish and see what will happen to the website. You can see now your logo have been added, but with the tagline also available. So if you don't want to display this tagline, go back, and here display site title and tagline. So untick it and publish, and let's see. Okay, now only your logo appears in your website. Next is site icon or favicon. Favicons or site icons will be displayed once your tab is open in the web browser. Let's show you how to do that. Click site icon. Normally it's a rounded shape one, so better use this one, and select. You can see here now my website is appearing in a tab, and this will be displayed there. So just keep cropping and publish it. Let's see how to edit this header background and this advertisement menu. For that you have to go back to the main customizer and go down, and here click header. In the header you can see the background image and the advertisement image. So if you want to change the background image, click change image. So I remind you, the earlier image, the header image is 1500 into 300 pixel image. It's a longer one, so better to use the similar pixel size. So let's upload a file. So if you want to edit this pixel size, you can go to a website called resizepixel.com. Here you can upload your image. So let's select this image and open. The actual size is 1200 into 500. So if you want to make it 1500 into 300, untick this fixed aspect ratio, 1500 into 300, resize. So now the image is beautifully resized. Go to download, click download image will be downloaded. So let's upload that image. You can drag and drop here. Yes, the image is drag and dropped. Choose image, click choose image. Here you can see the pixel size 1500 into 300 pixels. Click choose image. Now you can see the background banner image of the header is changed. So let's change the advertisement banner and also give a advertisement link. So go to here the advertisement image. So click change image. Let's upload another image. So I will upload a YouTube link. So let's click this watches on YouTube. If you want, you can edit the image size according to the default image. So you can see the image is very big, so you can resize it. So let's go back. So let's see the previous image size. Change image, and previous images advertisement section is 728 into 90 pixels. So let's change the image according to that. Go back, resize pixels. So let's make it 728. So resize it. So it's look like this. So you can change some other templates. Go download. Okay, now you can see a smaller file. So let's give a advertisement image URL. So I'll give my YouTube channel URL. So let's click my one and paste it here and let publish and see what will happen. So now it published. Let's open the website link in a new tab. So you can see here. So when you move around, it is clickable. So let's click that. So once you click, it will open a new tab and your linked website will be displayed here. Let's edit this right sided top menu and the main menu here. To edit the right sided top menu, you can access it two ways. One, you can click this gear icon. So let's click. So here you can see primary and top bar navigation. So primary is the main menu, that is here, and the top bar navigation is this menu, that is the top right menu. So you can click edit menu. So here you can edit the support documentation download with the custom links. So this is the first way you can edit. Another way you can access the same is go to the WordPress dashboard, click appearance, then click menu. Here you can see the menu is selected as main menu, but we want the right sided. So click this arrow and we can select the top right menu and select. So here also you can access the top right menu. So you can edit the name and the links. If you don't want, you can remove that as well. So here you can have given a support and the link of the support. So let's give my website link. So I copy my main website link and paste here. Similarly, for documentation, you can give another link, or if you don't want to keep this, let's see this one. So for downloads also you can give any link, or if you don't want to keep this, just you can remove. So let's save menu. So once you click this support, you can see it's open in a new tab, the link you have given. Similarly, documentation also you can give. If you don't want to keep that, you just remove this from the menu editing. And let's see how to edit this social media link, Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. For that, you have to go back in the customization area. Here you can see the social profiles. Once you click, you can see there are 4 links: Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. If you don't want, you can remove it, or you can put your one. So I'll put my one. Okay, once you've done any changes, always don't forget to publish. So let's open our website in a new tab. Once you click the YouTube link, it will redirect you to the link you have given. Similarly, other link also will work. So let's move on to the editing of the main theme. So again, go to the customize, go back, and here you can click the gear icon. As done earlier, this is the primary main menu, so you can edit menu. So here you can find the menu items like home, tech, travel, health and other things, and also some links, some layouts, and support some custom links and other things. So let's remove the unnecessary ones and let's add some new pages like about us and contact. So for that, better to go to the second method, that is go to the appearance and access this place. Click appearance, then select menus. Here you have to select the main menu, that is primary. Select. Now this is the home menu. These are category, actually post categories. So we can see how to edit and create new post categories. So if you want to rearrange the menus, you can just drag and drop. You can move here like that. You can move, and here you can remove this layout part and the support parts. So just these are custom links. So just go here, click remove. Like that, you can remove the unnecessary parts. So I have removed the unnecessary menu items, and I am serving the menu now. So let's see what will happen to the main website. Now you can see the unnecessary menu items have been removed. Only these necessary items are there. These are categories, post categories. For example, if you click health, you can see the post about health will be here. Similarly, tech, like that you can see. So if you want to change these names, for example, if you want to change this one to local and this one to world, like that. So how can we do? You have to go the menus and you can just change the name, or else you can go to the post categories. Here the post, and click the categories. These are the post categories. You can see, if you want, you can see the post here. So you can see each and every post here. The author is demo, that's the website name, and the categories you can see the health and recommended. One post can be assigned into many categories. For example, if you want to edit this health to local, let's change this travel into world. Can update. So let's go back to the appearance and click menus, and now you can see the home and the local tech world like this coming. So let's move this world to here and save menu. So now you can see, just refresh and see what will happen. Here now the menu names go change to local, then world, then tech, like that. It's going up. So actually these are categories. You can see the categories here. All categories are there. So if you want to add new pages like about us and contact us, so you have to do is go to the pages, click add new, and give a title. Here give a page name called about us, and if you want to keep this default layout, set customizer, no sidebar full width, left sidebar, right sidebar. So let's keep this right sidebar and publish. For the moment we'll publish. In the later part of video we'll explain how to create the about us page. So let's publish. Similarly, again go back to the dashboard and pages, add new, give a name called contact us. Here also keep the right sidebar, and so you can view the page. That's the empty page. You can see with the right sidebar. So we'll show you how to edit these things. So now come back to the menu part, appearance. Here you can see the pages. You have created contact us and about us available. If you don't find here, you can click this view all and you can search, and you can find here as well. So here about us and contact us here. So add to menu. So now those two will be added here. So if you want, you can move around. So I'll just keep about us and later contact us. So just save menu. Okay, now you can see the menu items, the about us and contact us also here. We'll explain how to create this about us and contact us page in later part of the video. Okay, let's come to the main part, editing. So here you can see how to edit this top part and the bottom parts. So for that, let's click customize. You can see the gear items for menus, logos, and the main menu available, but for this area you will not find any gear items. Only after this only you will find the gear items. The reason is these items, that main stories, editors, pick, trending stories, and popular stories, are called banner area. This area is called banner area. So you have to go down and click this banner. Here you will find the banner setting, feature slider. That is, feature slider is this part, and featured post 1 is this part, featured post 2 is this part. So let's edit one by one. Go to the banner settings. Here you can set the banners show on home page only, show on both home page and post page. So if we enable home page only, this banner, this featured image slide bar will appear on the only on the home page. If we select this one, it will appear in the all other pages. So let's show you in the website. You can see this is the home page. The slider and the featured post appear here. When you click travel, health, when you click blog, it also appear same slider and the featured post. So if you don't want to appear in this area, you just select this show on home page only. Normally websites are shown on the home page only, these details. So let's publish and go back, and let's click the featured slider. Here you can see the main stories. So the main stories, what you have to do is, the main stories you can show the latest post, or else you can show the post from a category. So if in a news website, normally latest posts will be appear in bottom or later part of the screen. So in the featured, in the main story post, you can select some highlighted news. For that, you can click this show post from category. Here you can main stories of popular. You can select this popular and see the popular categories appear here. You can publish. So you can make any post popular. For that, I already explained. You have to go to the dashboard and click post and click all posts. Here you can see you can change the category of any post. For example, let's see this America's largest cruise agency. You want to make it as a popular post. You just click here, click edit. And here you can select the category. It's already selected in the travel, so you can make it appear in the popular as well. So click and update. So that post also will appear in the main slider. You can see the America's largest cruise agency. So any post you can make it as a main or popular post. Okay, so that's the feature slider. And go back. And features post 1, that is here. And features post 2 is here. So let's click featured post 1. So you can give any topic here. If you want, you can put like local, and here you can change the select the category as main stories. Similarly, you can go back and select this featured post and select show post category. Here we can keep as health. So this category health is already selected. Now you can see the post related with health will appear here. So if you want to remove this featured post item, you can just click hide. You can remove that one. Also just click hide to remove the other one also. So like that, like this also you can keep, but for this it is beautiful if you have both intact. So let's untick. So now all the changes done in the main banner. So click publish. Okay, the banner part is done. Next is this popular stories. To edit this popular stories, you can go to the top stories post and click. Here also it shows the latest post. So if you want, you can change it to a category called popular. Once all done, you can publish. Okay, let's move into the next part of the video, that is editing the other contents using the widgets. Okay, let's come back to the home page editing. Now we have done the title and the top bar up to this popular stories. So let's come down here. Now we can edit these parts. These are widgets. This is a vertical widget. This is blog post. This is horizontal widget. So like that, let's see how to edit. So again, go to customize and go down. Now from here onward, you will have the gear icon. With the gear icon, you can edit. So if you want to add a new widget, how to do that? For that, go to the customization area, and here click widgets. In this widget, you can find the front page content section. So click this one. If you want to add new one, click horizontal or vertical widget. You can see this TH, that is theme host, horizontal or vertical post. So by adding this widget, you can add the new post using horizontal and vertical widget. So for the moment, no need to add new widgets. Let's edit the available one. So let's click this tag one. Okay, it will open the tag part in the left side. Just click the image. Here you can see, you can change the style horizontal. This vertical one. Now if you want, you can make it horizontal. Let's click and see. Now you can see coming as a horizontal one. So let's keep as the vertical. So here the title is tech. So if you want, you can make it technology. Here it displays the latest post. So whether it's any category, it will display the latest post. But we don't want that. So we want to display on the category of technology. So let's click this one, that is show post from a category, and here you can select the tag. So the post from the tag will be updated. The latest post will come on the top. So that is the technology part, and go down and click fashion. You can see this fashion is coming as the block style. If you want, you can change the title, and here also you can select show category, and here also you can select a category from fashion. Like that, go down, and sports also you can do the same thing. This you can see it's a horizontal widget. If you want to make it vertical, just untick it, and you can see now it's become a vertical one. So let's keep it as a horizontal, and the title is sports, post from a category, and select the sports. Similarly, in this item, click this gear icon, that is health. If it is not showing the editable option, just click on the image, it will automatically show that. So if you want to make it a block style, you can make it block style with the title appearing within the image. If you don't want to keep as a block style, you can just untick it, and the title is health. Also you can show the post from a category, you can select the category. Similarly, travel, click the gear icon. If it is not showing, go down. Yeah, this is the travel. Just click here. You can see this is the vertical widget. If you want to make it horizontal, you can click the horizontal style, and the post shows post from a category. You can select the category as travel, and you can publish. Now we have edited the front page contents. Let's see how to edit the right side sidebar. That is the sports category, and that is it's sticky, and some posts down here. And after that, you can have the recent sports widget. So how to edit these? For that, again go to customize. Actually, you will not find pen icon to edit that part because it's a right sided sidebar. For that, you have to go to the widget section, this widgets. Now click front page sidebar section. You can click. Now you can see the front page sidebar section. One is sports, the other one is recent posts. So here you can edit by clicking here. So if you want to edit the title, you can edit the title, and here it shows the latest posts. So you can show from a category, and you can show sports. So you can show any categories. So you can make it health, and you can select the health category. Like that you can do. On the down, you can see the recent sports widget. You can click here. You can give the title recent posts or whatever, and here the number of posts you want to display. So it is 4. If you want, you can make it 8, and those 2 widgets are there. So if you want to add more widgets like search, those kind of things, you can add here. So let's publish and see. Okay, let's come down. You can see now sports category with the sports items are here. That is sticky by default, and the recent sport, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 posts are there. You can define how many posts you want to display. So those kind of things you can do. So let's see the last part, that is you may missed. So for that, again you can go to the customize. So here you will not find any pen icon to edit. So you have to edit through this left sidebar, go down, and here you can see the footer featured posts. So click that one. Now you can see the you may miss, the title is here. So if you want, you can edit the title, and it shows the latest posts. So if you want, you can edit show post from a category, and you can select a category like recommended. Okay, so like that you can edit this part and publish. Okay, till now what we have done is we have categorized the posts from the demo content of the column egg theme. So let's see how to remove this demo contents and add our posts with our news items. For that, go back, go to the dashboards, and click select post, and click all posts. So here you will find the post from the demo content of the NewsCard theme. So let's see how to add our posts. So if you want to remove all these posts, demo posts, you can just trash them. For before trashing them, let's create 5 or 10 of your own posts. After that, you can remove the unnecessary posts. So go to the posts and click add new. Okay, now you can create your post. Here we'll see how to create a blog post using WordPress, Gutenberg or blog editor. So you can see once you've done the post, you can see the post title and paragraphs and hyperlinks, and with buttons and with rounded images and the image description, and also a fixed image with the cover letters and the media with the text and subheadings with background highlighted text and another heading with cover letter and the quoted text. And also you can see the image gallery, and also you can see the table with the embedded video and the PDF file embedded. So let's go and see how to do this. For that, go to WordPress dashboard, click posts, then click add new. Now it will open up a following page. Here you can see you can add the title and you can type the contents here. And also you can see on the left side the toggle block inserter, tools, and undo redo items. In this side you can see, and also you can have the save draft, preview, and publish. And here you can see the settings wheel. So here you can move to post mode or blog mode. So let's keep this post mode. And here you can see the visibility publish. You can publish immediately or you can backdate or foredate. And also you can create the URL here. And here post format you can change standard, link quote, and author. You can change author for the moment only one author. And here you can create any categories. If you have too many categories, you can search from the search categories. And here you can create tags, and you can put featured image and excerpt for that is a summary of the post. So like that, those things you can add here. So let's start by adding a title. So I just type a title called 20 best places to visit in India. So then you can type the first paragraph here. I just copy paste one paragraph contents. Here you can see some items are in block letters. So here you can edit that block. If you want, you can make them as italic. So you can click this one. So I make it italic. So if you want to give a link to this area. So just click this item, link item, and here you can put the website link you want to give a link, and you can activate this open in a new tab. So when viewers click the link, it will open in a new tab. So let's click submit. So you can see it will open in a new tab. So now this item have been created a one block. So if you want to add another paragraph or another block, you can click this plus icon. Here you can have many items: paragraph, column, embed, YouTube, and other things. If you want to view the full items, you can click browse. You can see the full items like paragraph, heading, list, code, classic, and other things. So when you move around, it will show examples for each and every item. Like that, you can move with media, gallery, and audio files and other things. Here you can create designs by adding buttons, columns, groups, and other things. Here you can embed any Twitter, YouTube, or other video, audio files. Like that, several options are there. So let's add another paragraph. So click paragraph. So I just paste. You can see here I have pasted two paragraphs. So in the paragraph section, you can add many paragraphs without troubling into making new paragraphs for each paragraph. Just you can copy paste several paragraphs into one paragraph section. Right, let's see how to add columns. So click this plus icon. You can select columns, or you can search the column here as well. So select column. Here you can see you can have two equal columns, or 1/3, 2/3 columns like this, or 3 columns like this you can create. So just create this one. So there are 2 columns. So let's see how to add images into 2 columns. So let's click this plus icon. Again, you can search for image. So here you can click image. So you can upload new image, or you can get from media gallery, or you can insert from a URL. So let's upload an image. Now the image is uploaded. You can move the image size. You can make it small or big. And also you can add a caption to this image. You can select this caption, you can bold it, or you can make it italic like that. If you want to give a link, you can click this icon and you can give the link as we done earlier. Similarly, you can, if you want to give a link to the picture, you can click this picture. Again, you can select this link and you can create link to the picture. So again, let's type here, click plus, again image. You can upload another image. If you want to add caption, you can add caption here. Like that you can do. If you want to edit these images, you can just right click this settings icon here. Here you can see it is a default one. So if you make it rounded one as well, if you want, you can do like this. You can make it rounded. Like that you can do. And also image size, you can select image sizes and you can set up the width and height of the images if you want. So let's click this plus icon and let's put another heading. So I click heading. So here I can put one heading, that is Agra. So you can edit this heading size. You can make it more bigger or you can make it smaller. So I feel this is okay. So again, put a plus icon. So you can click plus here or else you can click plus here as well. Both are okay. Let's put another paragraph. When you click these three dots, you can copy this block or duplicate, or you can move. Color for background. You can put any color like this or like this. So let's put another heading. So when click this drop cap, then the first letter of the paragraph will be capital. The first letter of the paragraph will be capital like this. Let's see how to add a quoted text. So you can click this plus icon here and you can search for quote. So you can see here. So here you can paste a quote. I just copy paste this. So if you want, you can put like this, or you can put a citation. If you want highlight and right, you can make it right like this. Pull quote like this. So let's go for another topic and let's put an image gallery. So let's click gallery. So when you hover arrow above this, it will show display on the right side. So let's add a gallery. So let's upload some multiple images. You can see the image gallery here. In the gallery, by default, it is appear as 3 columns like this. So if you want to change this column options, click this settings here. Here you can change this thumbnail or medium size. So when you click the select gallery, you can see the columns. On the right side also you can see the columns. So you can move like this. You can create 4 columns like this. You can see, or else you can create 2 columns like this. So let's keep it 3. So like this you can change the column option as well. If you want to add the image with the text on the left and right, just click this plus and search for media and text. So you can have here, it will show you how it will appear like this. So click media and text. So here you can upload the image. On the right side you can paste the contents. Like this you can paste. And if you want to highlight this one, and so in between let's put a cover image. Go to cover. You can see when you give cover, you can write in the image like this. You can write on the image like Varanasi. You can change the text color like white. Like this you can put images. So in this block you can click in the right side. You can see you can change the appearance. So you can move the focal point. And if you click fixed background, when you move, the image will be fixed. You can see the image is fixed. If you want to put some overlay, you can put some overlay on the image. Okay, before moving into next step, let's delete some previous block. So let's go back, and if you want to delete this paragraph, just click on that. Here select these options and here go down and click remove paragraph. Now that paragraph have been removed. Now if you want to keep a same sentence in different places, for example, if you want to keep this sentence repeatedly, keep this paragraph repeatedly in other sections, you can make it as a reusable one. This click here and go down. You can click reusable block. So click create reusable block and click reusable one. And you can give a name as strip. So let's save. So now go down and click plus, and you can use the same reusable block here. So click reusable. So you have created a reusable block called strip. So you can click to add this strip here. Also you can edit this reusable block by manage reusable block. Okay, let's go down and click the reusable and click this strip. So now the same paragraph coming to the other area. So rather than copying and pasting, you can just use the reusable item as this. Let's see how to add a button and hyperlink to that button. So let's click plus, and here you can select for button. So here the button is there. Okay, when you click this settings site, you can see the button settings. So you can have fill, or you can have this outline, and with settings you can have like this. And the radius, you can change the radius of the button. So let's put some text. So let's minimize this and click this color section. You can click this test color, and you can keep it white or yellow, other colors. So let's keep it white, and you can change the background color. So background color, you can use one color or gradient. So if you want to use one color, you can just put one color like this or like this or like this. If you want to have a gradient color, you can select this gradient one, and you can put like this gradient. And if you want to keep the button in the center of the array in the middle, you can items in the center. And if you want to give a hyperlink to the video, so let's click this. You can select this hyperlink. So I select, so I given my YouTube channel link. So click open tab in a new tab and just enter. Let's see how to add a table. So click this plus icon, search for table. So you can select the number of column and the rows. So you can see the table is created. So if you want, you can edit, insert row above, like Excel sheet. You can add or delete the rows, columns, and other things. And let's put some contents here. And you can click this icon here. You can see, create the strips, and you can create the fixed width header section. And if you want, you can create a footer section here. And let's see how to embed a video. Again, click this plus icon. Here you can go to your YouTube video. Let's embed a YouTube video. So here you can put the YouTube video URL. I just go to my YouTube channel and create and copy this link. So copy this link address and just paste here and click embed. Now you can see the video is embedded. So let's see how to embed a PDF file. So again, click this plus and go here, search for file. So just select file. So here click upload. I select one PDF file and click open. Now you can give a file name for that. So I give one file name, Journey Through India. You can see now the PDF file is inserted. Viewers can scroll here, and also they can select pages they want, and also they can maximize and minimize, and they can download and print. All the things can be done. So once you're done editing your post before publishing, you have to complete the other things. You can select any category. So if you want to put some categories, you can select any categories from here, or else you can create a new category. So let's create a new category called nature. Once click enter, it will be added. So nature already selected. So if you want, you can add edit, speak, or other things you can put. And also you can put some tags. The tags are useful for search engine optimization. Like that, you can put feature tags, and also you can put a featured image. So let's select featured image. So if you want to put this as a featured image, you can select and set as the features image. Okay, once all the things done, click publish. So now you can view the post. So click view post. Wow, now you can see the edited picture and nature, two categories. The post is published here, and you can see the button and other images, rounded images, and the fixed image, and the media with text, and other highlighted text here, and highlighted code here, an image gallery, table, embedded YouTube video, and the PDF file. So all the things are here, and then finally you can see the tags here. Okay, let's come back to the theme customization tutorial. Now we can go down. Now we can edit the footer part. The footer part has the 4 columns like news card. This is the about us information, gallery, categories, recent posts. On the down is the copyright bar. So and in the right side you can have the social media links. So let's see how to edit this. So again, go to the customize. Here you have to go to the widgets. Now you can see footer column 1, footer column 2, 3, 4. So once you click footer column 1, you can see the news card about us detail will be here. The down this area will be appear here. So you can edit the text. You can edit title with your website name, and here you have to give the details. So don't edit this HTML codes like this P. So keep those codes intact. This is paragraph starting and ending. So this is for one paragraph, and another paragraph start here and end here. Okay, it's a default setting, so don't edit this one, but you can edit this contents with your website details. And once you click this gallery, that is a footer column 2, you can click and you can add or remove this gallery images or reverse order. You can reorder those things, and you can make the columns 1, 2, 3, 4, like you can make the column size. So those kind of things you can do, the thumbnail and image size, all kind of things you can do. And also you can add images. Also you can remove images from the gallery. That is easy. And the next part is categories. So you can click. So here you can edit these details. The display as drop down. If you want, you can put as a drop down. When customers click, they will see, or else you can just remove it. And also show the post count. So each category have how many posts. So you can show here. So customers have an idea on what items are available here. You can get, and if you can put a hierarchy. So if you put the subcategories, you can put hierarchies, or else you can no need to put that. So those kind of things we can do. And here this recent post widget, you can click here, and keep in mind the recent post. If you just put a widget called recent post, it will only show the title. If you want the images with other details, you have to select this th recent post. By default it is there, but keep in mind the recent post should be th, the theme host recent post widget. So here you can put the title, and you can edit the number of posts. As it is at footer bar, better to keep 3 or 4. That's enough. So those kind of things you can do. And the social media icons we have edited earlier in the top menu bar. The same thing is here. So let's see how to edit this copyright. So here it will show the copyright and the current year. It will automatically detect the current year and the website name. This is the website name I have provided. So when you provide your website name, it will automatically take it here. So now what we have to do is we have to remove this part. This is unnecessary. It shows the theme where you got the theme. So how to delete that? By default it is hard coded. So let's see how to do that. Again, go to the WordPress dashboard. So click dashboard, click appearance, then click theme file editor. It will alert you. This is a hard coded one. If you change it, it will affect your website. So very careful. So click I understand. Here select theme footer, that is footer.php. Select and go down. On the 132, that is, you can see this echo. And here you will see echo, NewsCard author link, then NewsCard WP link. That is there in the footer part. So you can disable this. Don't do anything extra. Just do what I am doing. Just put this double forward slash into that code, because if you put forward slash, it's become a inactive. That is it's become a comment like thing. So only put these two forward slashes before this echo NewsCard author link, NewsCard WP. That's it. And update file. How the website will appear. Go down. Now you can see the copyright with the year and your website title. Other than that, nothing will available. So it's a simple way to edit. So this have been done in the top bar as well. So this is the area we have done. So the same thing be applicable here as well. Okay, let's come to the final parts of the video, that is creating about us and contact us pages. So we have already created a blank pages and we have added into the menu. We have done in the earlier part of the video. So let's click this about us. So now you can see the about us is empty with the right sided bar with the search and the recent posts items, and the bottoms normally appear. So let's add a context to this. For that, click this top part, that is edit page. Okay, now we are going to edit this page as we earlier created a blog post. So if you follow the blog post video, you can create a step-by-step blogs to this about us page. And here you have the options like default layout set in the customizer. By default it is right sidebar is appearing on the right side as I showed earlier. If you make it left sidebar or no sidebar with full width, those kind of thing you can do. So let's keep as no sidebar with full width. Okay, now we can create one by one each blog for this about us page. You can follow the blog post we have created. The same way you can create this, or else you can use the free library items from the WordPress blog editor. To that, click this plus icon. Here you can see blocks, patterns, media. Then click patterns. So there are so many patterns available like features, post, text, those kind of things. If you click featured, you can see some items available here. So if you click text, so it will appear like this. So you can select this one as a theme, then you can edit with your about us details. So let's click this one. Here you can see it is automatically included in your about us page. Now you can edit each title. Here you can edit, and here you can edit this about us details with the title. And if you want to put the author's pictures, you can put here, and description you can put description here. So like that you can simply edit or simply create a about us page, then you can update. So once you update, you can view the page. Here you can see the about us page is appearing like this. If you click this icon, it will automatically go into top. If you want to have the right sided bar, you can enable the right sided bar as I showed earlier. So that's how you can create about us page. Okay, let's come to the final part of the video, that is creating contact us form. So to create contact us form, you have to install a free plugin called WP Forms. So let's do that. Go to dashboard, and click plugins, and click add new. Here search for WP Forms. Here you will see the contact form by WP Forms. Drag and drop from builder for WordPress. Click install now. Then click activate. So once you activate it, there's a video explaining how to create a form. Just click this create your form first. Let's go. Okay, if you want, you can put a name to your form. So I can put contact us. So if you create a blank form or simple contact form, so let's use a template. So I'll click this use template. Here you can see by default it has a contact us form with name, first name, last name, email, and the comment or message. So this is better suits our need. So if you want to edit this titles, you can edit. For example, if it is comment or message, or you will just keep as a message. So let's just delete this one, and the name, first name, last name is there. If you want to add a mobile number, you can add a standard field. So here's a fancy field phone, but it is a pro feature. So we just keep a single line text. So let's put like this. So you just change this as a mobile. So if you want, you can keep it as a required field, or else just keep as a simple field and click save. Okay, now we have created a form. That form name is contact us. You can see here on the setup, you can see the form name is contact us, and the form fields are here. And in the settings, you can see that spam protection, those kind of things you can do. This part is this contact us form created is explained in a different video. Check that. So here you can see the confirmation message. Once the customers fill the form, they will get a confirmation message like, thanks for contacting us, we will be in touch with you shortly. This message will be displayed. So if you want to change it, you can change it. Very important part is this notification. Once the customers fill the form, it will send the notification to the admin email. Admin email is the email you have provided to the registration of WordPress. You can find that email address by going to dashboard and settings and general. So here you will find, so this is the email address I have provided to the WordPress registration. So once the customers fill the contact us form, by default it will send the notification to this email address. So if you want to change the email address, you just delete this part and you put your email address here. That's it. Okay, now let's come to the contact us page here and click edit page. So if you want to put some descriptions, you can put here, or else by adding this plus icon you can put some heading, paragraphs, those kind of things you can add. I have explained those things in the creation of blog post, so you can follow that part of the video. So let's see how to add this created WP forms. So search for WP forms. So when you type WP, it will appear. Click this one. So now it will ask select a form. So we have created one form. If you can create multiple form, so we have created one form that is called contact us. So just select that one. So now the contact us form is appearing here. Okay, let's update. So if you want to design these forms, they have follow that WP forms video. So for the moment, let's keep this simple form and update. And let's view the page. Okay, now you can see the contact us page with the right sided bar, and here you can see the contact us details. Name is compulsory field, mobile not compulsory, and email, messages, those kind of things. So let's fill the form and see. Okay, once you fill the form, just click submit. So once customer submit, as I shown earlier, thanks for contacting us, we will be in touch with you shortly. You can edit this text as I showed earlier. So this is how you can create a simple contact us form. So this ends the tutorial of this NewsCard theme customization. If you have any questions, please leave us comments in the comment box. Please subscribe our channel for more WordPress website related videos. Thank you.